How to fix command prompt opening automatically in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. On the right, select Command Prompt. It might appear with a different name on your computer. Click on the Disable button in the top right corner of Task Manager. Restart your computer. Check if the problem persists. In Task Scheduler, select Task Scheduler Library Microsoft Windows. Check if Command Prompt is there. If it is, right-click it. Select Delete. In the pop-up, click Yes to confirm the removal.